Hey, it's Jan and welcome back to my channel. In this quick and simple sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these ring pincushions. Quite comfortable to wear, and they really do come in handy. It's a great project to get into your fabric scrap stash and make something useful. So without any further chit chat, let's get right into it. Let's first go over the materials and items that you'll need. You will need a small piece of fabric. I have a printable PDF pattern that you can download and print if you want to have those instructions and the template. This is just a 3.5-inch circle. You'll need some upholstery thread or a heavy-duty thread, a hair elastic, an awl, plastic juice lid that's 1 inch, a button, pair of scissors to cut out your fabric. First thing that you'll do is just prep your lid by poking a hole in the center. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to thread my needle with the upholstery thread. Knot the end. Insert the needle from the back side of the fabric at 1/4 inch, and we're going to sew a basting stitch all the way around. When you get back to the beginning, I'm going to stitch just a couple stitches past that knot and pull it. And apply a little bit of stuffing inside. I'm going to poke my needle out to the right side at the seam line. And before I cinch it up too tight, the elastic ready, I'm going to cut that hair elastic in half. So it's kind of challenging to get those 2 elastics through the hole. So let me show you a trick. I'm going to take another piece of thread, make a loop with your piece of thread, take the elastic through, line up the ends, and then I'm going to thread these 2 thread into that hole. And then you'll just pull it through. Make a little tie there. And you slip your finger in. We're going to pull it till it feels comfortable. Take it off. And then we're going to make another knot. Cut the ends. So you want this to be pretty firm but not too overstuffed. You have to stick this in there still. I'll put a little bit more. Then I'm going to put my lid inside. And that lid is what's going to keep the pins from poking into your skin. I'm going to cinch that around the lid. Turning stick or something and poking those edges. I'm going to take a few more stitches around that seam line. Once you have that securely pulled, take another little stitch right there at the base of the thread. Leave a little loop, wrap your needle around it twice, and gently pull it to create a knot, and then we're going to stick it in right where the knot is and poke it out. And then you'll just clip your thread. Then I'm going to sew my button on. You can take a little stitch under the button where you're not going to see it. Loop it around. Stick it into the pincushion and out. And clip your thread. And that is all there is to it. Now you can add a few pins when you're sewing, really well when you're at the sewing machine and you don't have your pincushion handy. And what a cute idea to put with a gift for all your sewing friends. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to learn how to make these wrist pincushions, check out that video. I will put the link in the description below. If you like my content, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next tutorial.